Hi everyone! I'm back again today with Daniel Smith and Roman Szmal comparisons. So this time we're going to be looking at Cobalt Turquoise made with PB36. Now, both of these are extremely similar. So the Daniel Smith's version and the Roman Szmal version, they're both the same in hue. The swatches today that you're going to see on screen, Daniel Smith might look a bit darker. I think that's because my brush picked up too much pigment in the mass tone area, but they're practically the same hue. The only difference I want to point out is the granulation. They both granulate, yes, but Daniel Smith's granulation seems more, as we've seen before, it feels more rocky, more apparent on its own, whereas Roman Szmal's is also apparent but a softer type of granulation. I'm showing you some close-ups here. You could see how Roman Szmal's is like soft. It doesn't look as rocky. I'm gonna use rocky a lot because that's how I see Daniel Smith as. And by soft granulation, I don't mean finer. I just mean that the particles seem of similar size, but more rounded instead of more spiky. Let me know down below which one you prefer. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated, everyone.